World Health Organization says it remains committed in assisting Nigeria's biosafety authorities to complete its biosecurity policy document. That decision was taken at the second National Review meeting of the draft National Biosecurity Policy Action Plan in Abuja. The global health body also expressed optimism that the policy document will be ready before the end of the year. Lara Afolayan reports.
Biosecurity involves preventive measures that reduce risks of transmitting infectious diseases to and among livestock. It is basically using all possible means to cut down chances of infectious diseases being carried to farms or other property by people, animals, equipment or vehicles. Biosecurity has become a major concern around the world, owing to the threat of many diseases, including the foot and mouth disease. Good biosecurity measures can prevent such transmissions, and that explains why the country's biosafety authorities are putting in place a biosecurity policy. The biosecurity document sets guidelines for regulating farming and biological chemicals in the country. The draft Biosecurity Action Plan is being reviewed here for a second time. The World Health Organization supports the document's formulation and is positive it would be ready before the end of the year, so it can be presented to the Federal Executive Council and thereby become a working document.
Is completed and presented to Federal Government of Nigeria as a working document. Is doing everything possible to ensure that the policy document is completed. So WHO will continue to support the federal government of Nigeria to ensure that the policy document is completed before the end of this year.
The biosafety authorities are appreciative of the WHO support to the biosecurity document process so far. They emphasize the need to jointly fight threats to biosecurity.
The World Health Organization has a major role to play to ensure that everyone on earth is secured, is safe, with good health. It is that role that they have displayed by supporting this process.
This journey so far in developing this policy to meet international best practices, taking into consideration our national priorities, has been worthwhile. An achievement credited to our collective consciousness to safeguard our ecosystem from threats arising from intentional or unintentional use of valuable biological materials.
Participants at the meeting canvassed a conscious safeguarding of the country's ecosystem from dangers that may arise from harmful biological materials. Lara Afolayan, TVC News, Abuja.